Hey everybody, this is Ken with 24th Grenadiers Airsoft Team. I am doing an unboxing. Evike.com does Box of Awesomeness. They usually come out once or twice every quarter, and they had one in July that sold out in about 1 minute. I was gonna get that one, and I couldn't remember the free shipping the free shipping code, and when it popped up and asked for $50 in shipping, I said no. This time I took the time and found the code ahead of time, and I got a box. This box was $1.99. Let's look into it and see what I get. I always have a knife. So the box came out on August 1st. And today is the 10th. So it takes them about a week and a half to get in. I was looking at the odds and seeing what I would get. We shall see what is coming out of this one. So, first, I have a pistol. I was not expecting a pistol, so that means this is a different box than I was probably going to get. It's a Salient Arms. It is a training pistol. It is a step above your normal gas blowback. Metal slide. It is a green gas pistol. It has the suppressor adapter, which I just threw in the box. I'll come up with that here in a second. So this is not the lowest odd box. This is a pretty decent one. I'm kind of excited to see what else is in here. So we have a pistol, and I'll have to look up the value on these. I think that pistol's in the $139 range. I'll double check though. Additionally, I have probably another M4, but it's okay because the pistol was good. We shall see what I get here. It's a SEMA. It's a CM 079 Delta. It's an M4 platform. Very heavy. It's key mod up front. Flip up sights. This one is not the standard box that normally you'd get. I will look more into it to see how much this box was valued at. Great. So, I'm kind of excited. We shall see what it's coming off of, what I had here. So I want to know what y'all want to see next. I really appreciate y'all viewing me. Make sure that you go and subscribe to me on YouTube. And I'll comment here in a little bit with the values of what I got. So once again, got a SEMA M4, and I got a Salient Arms training pistol. I feel like I did pretty well in this box. If you do too, let me know. Once again, this is Ken with 24th Grenadiers Airsoft Team. I'm your friendly neighborhood squad buddy signing off. Thank you for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe.